Hello friends. Welcome to Easy Data Fundamental. In this video, we will see 5 mistakes that you should avoid while putting your phone on charging. So let's get started. Number 1. Don't charge your phone overnight. When you keep your phone plugged in overnight, you're keeping it on the charger for much longer than is needed. If a battery becomes overcharged, it can become damaged. In order to prevent this, your phone will start to discharge the battery slightly. Then, after the charge drops too low again, it will begin to charge it back up again. This constant cycle of discharging and recharging causes your battery to burn through its total number of charge cycles much faster, shortening the battery's overall life. So due to this reason, don't charge your phone overnight. Number 2. Don't charge your phone to 100%. While it sounds counterintuitive, continuously charging your cell phone battery all the way to 100% is something you should avoid, because a battery that contains a higher voltage is placed under more stress than one running at a mid-range capacity of 40% to 80% state of charge. This stress can degrade the battery by wearing down its internal chemistry. Ideally, you should only charge your cell phone to 100% if you intend to remove the phone from its charger and begin using it within a few hours. So due to this reason, don't charge your phone to 100%. Now, before going to number 3, if you are new on my YouTube channel, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and press bell icon for latest video notification. Number 3. Don't let your phone battery drop down to 0. While overcharging is a problem, letting your phone battery run down all the way is also not good. Some people might tell you that your battery will lose part of its total capacity unless you run it down to 0. This is totally false. While it is true that nickel-cadmium batteries possess this memory effect, the lithium-ion batteries in your phone function quite differently. Discharging a lithium-ion battery completely can actually diminish its overall capacity, so it's best to always keep it charged to 40 to 80% of its total capacity. So due to this reason, don't let your cell phone battery drop down to 0. I already recommended above that it's best to always keep a charged battery to 40 to 80% of its total capacity. Number 4. Don't let your phone get too hot. According to some reports, phones and other devices are designed to perform well in a wide range of ambient temperatures, with 62 degrees to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, or 16 degrees to 22 degrees Celsius, as the ideal comfort zone. It's especially important to avoid exposing your device to ambient temperatures higher than 95 degrees Fahrenheit, or 35 degrees Celsius, which can permanently damage battery capacity. So due to this reason, don't let your phone get too hot. Number 5. Don't charge your phone multiple times in one day. Charging your phone multiple times a day is not necessarily bad, but it's important to be mindful of overcharging and other factors that we see above that may harm your battery's lifespan. Remember this mistake also for saving your phone battery life. So due to this reason, don't charge your phone multiple times in one day. I hope this information will help for you. See you in next video. Before that, if you like my video, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.